What is pink? A rose is pink, by the fountain's brink. What is red? A poppy is red, in its barley bed. What is blue? The sky is blue, where the clouds float through. What is white? A swan is white, sailing in the light. What is yellow? Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. What is green? The grass is green, with small flowers between. What is violet? The clouds are violet, in summer twilight. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange.
What is it?
This is the great, the fantastic, the amazing Sweeple. Sweeple? Yes, and I got only 5 of them.
Only 5?
Yes, only 5.
How much are they? Are they expensive?
No, they're not expensive, they're cheap. These are the best, the smallest, the fastest Sweeples in the world.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, it is. Do you have to do some chores?
Yes, I have to clean my room.
Right, then the Sweeple is for you. And do you like playing computer games?
Yes, I do.
Then the Sweeple is for you too.
Great. Is the Sweeples for me too?
When's your birthday?
It's on 21st April.
Yes, you're lucky. It's for you too.
Wonderful. What are Sweeples made of?
They're made of metal, plastic, glass, and sugar.
Sugar?
Yes, the sweetest sugar in the world.
Fantastic.
So, boys and girls, who wants Sweeple?
Me.
What is happening? Stand.
What is happening? Olivia selling Sweeples. Yes, but we bought all. I bought 1. And I bought 1 too.
And I bought 3.
Can I see them? Sure, that's the smallest Sweeple in the world. And the best.
And the best.
But what do they do?
What do they do?
Yes, what do they do? We don't know what.
Yes, that's right.
What did they do? Hey, Olivia.
Yes, where is she?
Olivia.
Okay.
They haven't any cheese at all. Their ears are pink, their teeth white. They run the house about the night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to them like much. I think mice are rather nice.
Yeah.